Alright, g'day everyone, Matt from Panda Garage here. Today I've got a video where I'm sort of just fixing up some bits and pieces while I'm waiting for parts. So we're going to be working on the Vectra today. Going to try and finish off the last of the actual body filler on the front bumper. Now, I don't know if you've seen that on the channel before or if I just haven't actually put that video together, but I did a whole thing on servicing the Vectra and doing some work on it. So I'm not too sure if I've done this before on the channel, but I'm going to show you the progress I've made. It's been a little bit, and this is sort of our spare car. We use it sort of, my in-laws use it as a sort of a runaround, and it's been really reliable for us. So while I'm waiting for stuff for the Jeep, I thought we'll get started on the Vectra, and yeah, so welcome to Panda Garage. Let's get stuck right into it. Okay, so it turns out that my putty's dried out fully. There wasn't much left in here anyway, but so we're going to scratch putting in more filler. I'm actually going to try and smooth this out a little bit more, and we will get this more prepped and prepped for more filler and stuff. But I'm going to actually cover all this up as well with primer, because I have been neglectful to do that, and because this sort of car has just been a runaround car, we're going to basically drive this until it no longer works. I think I'm just going to get all this tidied up, do some primer on it, and hopefully that fixes it all up and makes it look somewhat nice for now. Okay, so as you can see, it's already a little bit wet. I am using a new camera, which I've just completed all the bits and pieces I needed for it over this weekend, but I just spent the last 5 minutes talking to you guys, and I actually wasn't recording, so it's a little bit hard to tell because I don't have a screen. That's the only downside to this camera, but I've got an external mic. I can change out the lenses, got my light on top, so this camera is really good, and I'm really hoping that it improves the channel, and hopefully you guys like it, that the content will be a little bit sharper. So it's a Canon EOS M, which is a mirrorless camera. Basically runs everything the same as like a Canon 600D, I think, DSLR. So yeah, so let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you guys like it, because I'm really excited about using it. Of course, the only downside, no screen on the flipping out screen, which kind of sucks a bit, but as long as I get my shots right, should be okay. But I've just got to make sure I pay more attention to if it's operating or not. So, and you guys definitely are operating. There's a bit of motorbike action down the road here at the moment. So what I'm doing, I'm not looking for a professional grade job here. What I'm trying to do is just get this tidied up. I did have some filler that turns out it has dried out, so I thought, well, no point letting go of today, might as well get something out of it. So I'm smoothing all this out, and we're going to put some filler primer on, and hopefully makes it look a little bit nicer, because running around with sort of like a multi-tone bumper isn't great at the moment. So even if it's just grey over the top, at least the new filler, when I buy a new container of that, will be good enough to bond to. And I thought this is a perfect opportunity, because I've been a little bit flat on the channel. This is sort of a bit of work today, and a bit of a conversation. I haven't been very inspired lately for the channel, and as you would have seen last Thursday, I didn't post something, and that's not the first time in this last month period that's happened. I don't have the surplus of videos I had, and also I've sort of taken a few L's recently when it comes to car stuff, like the Jeep Scott issues again. Yeah, it's mainly the Jeep that's causing the issues with me at the moment. So for me, it's just about I had to take a bit of time away. Just had to take a bit of time away to focus a bit on what I want to do, and hopefully coming up I can make some good content for you guys. Yeah, it's just a bit hard at the moment because there's a lot of things going on with the cars, and yeah, it's just getting a bit of inspiration. This is so much harder having like fine grade sandpaper to have to do this job. I should have gone down the shop and bought some stuff, but I didn't think I was going to be doing all this. I thought I was going to be doing a bit of body filler, so that's alright. So at the moment, my thought process is thinking about making like a trying to get like a project car in the future to like start from scratch, do all the work on that. It'd probably be more like, we'd still do like videos like this on other cars and that, but that'd be sort of like the main thing, because of course once I sell all the cars and stuff, the car we buy next might not exactly be like DIY channel worthy. Might be just like a family type car. So there's that thought going through my head. I'm trying to find something affordable. Hopefully all this background noise doesn't get picked up too much, because it seems like there's a lot going on out here today. I know I'm sanding this with my hands, and I should be using a block, but I'm not, because I'm just trying to get this primer, like this filler, smoothed out a little bit. That's all. That's all I'm trying to achieve today. I just want to make it look a little bit nicer. That's all I want to do. Once I dry this all out, put some body filler on it, filler primer, it's going to come up great. So I'm going to get a bucket, I'm going to clean this off, and then we'll dry it off and get some primer on. Rightio, here's some water, try and clean off all the murk. Cloth. Try and dry this out. There we go. Listen to the camera's operating at the moment, because I can actually hear the focus going off its nut. I'm still learning this camera too, so if there's anything that's coming up that's making it annoying, like especially that automatic focus is driving you nuts, let me know and I'll start fine-tuning what I do. So I've got some newspaper here. I'm gonna grab some tape. We're just gonna tape up the spots we don't want. Actually, we should do that with the tape first, shouldn't we? Now this is like gonna be real backyard job style. Real backyard number. So if you like good paint jobs, look away now. This probably ain't going to be one. I just want to make sure that this looks good, somewhat. Because right now, we are just looking to get the primer on. So we need So right now, got the primer putty. Just giving this a once over with a grease and wax remover as well. So hopefully we can make this look just a little bit nicer for now until I get some more putty. By the way, I'm intentionally filling those holes with putty. It's a real botch job, but we can sand that off later. Okay, so that is very messy looking at the moment, but trust me, this isn't going to be the final thing yet. It's just to sort of fill in a few of the holes and sort of get the start of like a good base again, so I can get more putty, fill in the little dings that we couldn't get out when we pushed the bumper out, and yeah, that's going to be it for today. So we'll wrap this up. I'm just going to chuck you guys up on the bin and I can have a chat to you. Oh, you are on a wonk. How's that? Is that better? Alright, thank you all so much for watching. Little bit of a weird video today, just a bit of a chat and me just fixing up something I should have fixed ages ago. So if you got any ideas or anything that you would like to see on the channel, leave them down below or just message me on Instagram or Facebook, the Panda Garage, which is where all the photos and all that good stuff happens. And also I just wanted to point out as well that the video I did the other day about going on the road trip to Healesville, you guys seem to really like it. Got some good thumbs up and that on that. If you'd like to see more of those videos, please leave that in the comments below as well. I'd love to hear if you'd like to see sort of more of that thing on the channel, or if you just want to see stuff in the garage. So just let me know that as well. So until next time guys, my name's Matt, this is Panda Garage. Let me know what you think of the new camera, and I'll talk to you all soon.